Wilson was being a bad boy and he tore up this bag of bird food, but in the process something neat kind of happened. If you look close here, all of these are sprouting. See that? I'm gonna try to get some of those loose seeds out of the way. All that bird seed is sprouting. It almost feels like a moss almost. It's weird to feel how thick that is, but it's doing it all through here. Now, I'm wondering how I'm going to be able to salvage this all. Do I let it keep growing like that? But I bet the roots are going to be so close together that it's going to kill it. That's cool. They've been growing for a bit. It just didn't look